This time I am riding to Italy to Moto Charlie. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. This time I am riding to Italy to Moto Charlie. The weather it's nice, everything is perfect. This is the 2nd of May and we already have 25, 26 as you can see right now degrees. So it is hot guys, it is hot for May, for the beginning of May, and I like it just like it is right now. So very cool weather, very sunny and bright. And why I am riding to Moto Charlie, Italy, Trieste? Because the Bandit needs new blood. I would like to change the oil and oil filter, and one thing more, I owe you an answer about the brakes, and I am going to buy brake pads, so the front and the rear, and change them, and then I will see what it is gonna be, what will be about the brake lever, you know, if it's gonna make also the same problem or not, or it's gonna be solved. So we'll see that time. So the mission for today is to get the oil filter and brake pads for the Bandit, and then I will change everything, and I'm gonna also film the brake pads change. I'm not gonna film the oil and oil filter change because I already did it. So for those of you who are regularly watching my channel, you all know that I have some servicing videos, and you can check all of them. So about the Bandit you can check everything, and there is also an oil and oil filter service video available, so check it guys, those of you who are interested. So I am already or almost in Italy. I have to mention it. Italy, it's just on the left. I am riding downhill here. The area, it's a bit let's say twisty because of the twisty roads, and here I will have to turn just left when I reach the point, the crossroad. This is Skopje, and this is the very important border passing with Italy. It's an international one, and it was very important also during the Yugoslavian latest war. Just to mention it, I was a kid that time. It was in 91, and I heard some shots here, and it was in June. I remember it, a 10 days war for Slovenia that time, and those days were very, let's say, scary. We didn't know what there is gonna be, but finally for Slovenia everything went well. There were some casualties, but not so many like they were in Croatia and Bosnia later. So here we go, left guys. Yeah, left, and ahead, just ahead, it's Italy. So I am right now very close to Italy. Skopje, goodbye, and Italy, Trieste, welcome. Here, right. Yeah, the Tracer, it's working very well, everything is fine, and I am happy with it. Right, and this is the famous border crossing that it's not present anymore because we are in the European Union right now, and the border crossing was exactly here, so in this area. I have to go left here. Yeah, okay. European Union, Italy, guys. The speed limit here is 80 kilometers per hour, and Italian carabinieri are very strict. Some guys are overtaking here, but I am not ready to risk here because I already paid a fee in Italy, and it was when I went to buy some stuff for my motorcycle, you know. So this is something that it's very important in Italy. Be careful because of the speed controls and everything, because you can get very easily a fee. So it is very important not to get it, obviously. And here once this was a fast road, but now it is just a normal road. They are putting from time to time some speed controls machines, and the speed limit here, you wouldn't believe it, but it is 50 kilometers per hour, so like in the city. And you know, you just open the throttle on the Tracer and you have 100 kilometers per hour easily. So somewhere here I got the fee, and I was really unhappy that time, and now I am very strict, and I just follow the signs, and I am very careful. So now I am almost there. I need another 10 minutes, maybe 7 minutes. Here you can see speed limits 50, like I mentioned previously, but everybody is driving or riding more. So this guy in the car, it's from Ljubljana, and he is driving more than 60 kilometers per hour, because I have already 60, and you know, it's easily past, you know, the 50 speed limit. I am in Trieste. You all know Ili. This is a very famous coffee, and it is from Trieste. So the coffee brand Ili. And there are some other brands because Trieste is the capital of coffee. I would say the most, let's say, famous thing in Trieste nowadays, it's coffee. So they have also a coffee museum in the city center, and it would be nice to go and visit it. So Moto Charlie, guys, I am here. Let's go here right, because I see that I have to turn around somehow. Yes, I will do it like this. I have everything. So the oil 1040 Motul 4 liters. It goes in the Bandit a little bit more than 3 liters, but I just bought 4 liters. And here I have the brake pads. So these are the rear ones and these are the front ones. Very, very good. And the oil filter. So everything it costed 146 euros, and I think that this is a fair price in my opinion. Let's put everything here. Yeah, now I have everything, and I'm just riding home. First of all, I have to change the brake pads on the Bandit, and I'm gonna film it, and then I'm gonna change the oil and oil filter too. So stay tuned for more videos about the Bandit. I hope that you guys are riding right now. The season, it's already here. I wish you a nice ride every time you're riding, and thanks for watching. Till the next one, guys.